Hey there, little learners! Welcome to Learn from Sounds, where we make learning fun.
Hey kids, welcome back. Today we are unlocking a letter that is unbelievably useful. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is the unique letter U. U makes two sounds. It say U like uniform and sometimes it say A like umbrella. U is for unicorn. U, unicorn. Say U, unicorn. U is for umbrella. A, umbrella. Say A, umbrella. U is for upstairs. A, upstairs. Say A, upstairs. Now let's see some more words that start with letter U. U is for unhappy. A, unhappy. U is for utensils. U, utensils. U is for uniform. U, uniform. U is for up. A, up. U, A. Good job everyone. Keep practicing the U letter at home.
Thanks for joining me today, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new adventure. See you next time for more learning fun.